No, he's crazy. Now he's really crazy. Nah, Percaso really nutty. He nutty. Nah, chill out. That's plaqueboymax.
Yo, what's up, Sean? Today we're finna be talking about Percaso. Percaso is a 15-year-old underground rapper from Orlando, Florida. He has two albums.
15? Percaso's 15? What? Nah, chill. Look. No way this nigga's 15. He's 15? Well, if he's 15, I'm 12. What? What are you talking about?
Album's name is 15. The other album name is MGN. MGN is a smooth ass album. He got 10 tracks on that motherfucker. No, he just sound good on that motherfucker. He got like jerk beats on there. He got little different type of beats. Like the little Tony type beats you would hear. Yeah, they hella smooth. I realized like the jerk beats are one of his best songs. I really fuck with them.
Clear what that shit up, nigga, you better keep that clear reach or you gonna get popped. Bitch ass, Jill. Ain't no telling what might go if I bought the crib at late. No, the KK keep that answer. Why the fuck you try to play? When I was broke, I ain't had no chillin'. Trapping every day. Clock the gas up on the scale. It's so much in it. Know your place. Now the KK funny teach you about that cheat. Grab a
Percaso was also featured on plaqueboymax stream.
Y'all say what's up? Hold on, let me get y'all some shit.
Yo, what's going?
Who are in this bitch?
This that plaqueboymax shit, son.
Percaso's been on there like multiple times. He's been working with Max, you know what I'm saying, the 5-star label. He been going dub, you know what I'm saying, making dub music. He actually has a song with Greatest Redefined called Jeff Green. It's actually hella hard. I didn't know it was Percaso like until I heard Cool Kid by Percaso. And then I was like, yo, who the fuck is Percaso? I need to know who this nigga is. And then I saw that he also had a song with Greatest Redefined, and I had that shit.
Nah. Kind of the same shit with me. Like, I seen Percaso on Max's stream, and then he had that, he did a song, and it was him and someone else. First song was, yo, the way this nigga came in was fucking amazing. I'ma pull this shit up. The way this nigga came in, it was crazy. The way this nigga came in on the beat was crazy. Like, listen to the way this nigga comes in and carries the aura. Like, you know something's about to happen. Like, I like the switch. Zap. Southside. That nigga by that. Why the whole life I denim? Yeah, I get 2 feet round fast. Crashing rental. Feeling 21 we go seeing the bad hoes love my denim. Red on black. KK feeling like the venom. KK been had chili. Now he trying to strike on extra. How about some Captain J behind? I had to just throw the weapon. He's really crazy.
My playlist. That shit was hard as fuck. But we gotta get into the video. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
You are now watching No Way.
Alright, we're about to be listening to Denim by Percaso. Hope y'all niggas enjoy, feel me?
What I was telling y'all niggas about! Southside! That nigga bad. We're the one from nothing and the something. That's why the whole life come out down on. Yeah, I get 2 keep round fast. He fuck around crashing rental. Feeling 21 with goals in the bad hoes love my denim. Red on black. KK feeling like the venom. KK been had chili. Now he trying to strike on extra. How about some Captain J behind? I had to just throw out the weapon. Fuck. My dude had since I hanging around with feelings. I rock good. I rock denim. I rock good. Denim. I rock good. I rock denim.
Alright, that was Denim by Percaso. If y'all niggas fuck with that, you know what I'm saying. Y'all already know the drill. Songs are in the description. And while you there, sub up, you feel me? Hey, thank y'all for 222. Just a little shit. Appreciate y'all. I just want to make videos for y'all.
This is a good video though. Like the way it's edited and everything, this is a good ass video. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, keep liking my shit. But we finna be playing Cool Kid. Oh damn, they just started playing a little shit. Turn that shit off. We gonna have to play. We gonna have to play Cool Kid. Listen, y'all niggas. This is
Cool Kid's crazy.
Damn.
Let me know.
Southside. Yeah. Hard raw, got a cool kid in with the mom. She tryna suck dick, tell her screw this. She text my phone like who this? I been getting the Chiwo Zulin. Yeah, I just cashed out and knew it.
Don't want to hang out, grabbing her booty.
Yeah, my brand new fight got attachments. Won't do no trade, why you asking? Would've been a crash in the Doho Gasty. Would've break it, yeah. Would've been a crash since a young nigga. It was 14 toting guns, nigga. He got a big head, but the drum bigger. Yeah, fucked up popping them Adderalls, and I can't even think right. Yeah, the bad bitch wanted the perk. I fucked around, gave her the pink tight. Yeah, the drugs been doing the work. My body been looking the lean tight. Yeah, the bad bitch wanted to ride. I had to go give her the D-bite.
I mess with Cool Kid. I listened to the music before I even watched the video, and when I saw the video, I was like, damn, I'll fuck with this even more. So Cardi, you're actually a hoe for not dropping on some real shit. But the video literally is Playboy Cardi's mad video. That's just actually fire as fuck. I'm saying Cardi B's drop. The fuck are you doing? Anyways, bro, be next. But man, this is chilly. This is some shit you could just late night, you know, where you want, you know. Hey, bro, you know what I'm saying? Fuck. Get right to this. You know, let my
so much chili, got group of hoes tryna test it and get out with me. They be like, Perk, when the next time you gon' hit it, bid it. Well, I been dead, I'm stacking money, stacking up that chili. Woke up, had a mad hoe, block in the toe tag. Bad hoe tryna be in the boot, go get your hoe back. Bro, niggas tryna be in the loop, but they don't know that. You got creep niggas all around your group, you ain't know that. Young niggas stack 15K, kept been creeping out that cut. Nigga playing creepy, think it's sweet, he gon' get cut. Let me trade the 5, promise.
All
right, that was Chili by Percaso. I get that shit a 10 out of fucking 10. Great song to kill. Up to the vibe, feel me? Chill out, enjoy weekend, niggas. Listen to Chili, feel me? Y'all did enjoy the video, you know what I'm saying? Thank y'all for 220, bro. Real shit. Maybe give me the 230, maybe on some shit. Appreciate y'all, bro. I'm asking for 10 likes on the video. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yo, bro, I'm not plaqueboymax. And I'm not a snot rocketer. Slow down.